Hey, fifth graders, I'm talking to you about your daily 5, your guided reading, or your daily 3. The 3 things that you need to complete today: read to self, work on writing, word work. So, the very first thing that we're looking at is you need to set yourself a 20-minute timer for each one of these. We're looking 20 minutes apiece. Um, for the word work, it would be your spelling city, words their way, spelling words, and complete the activities that are available in the spelling city. Read yourself. You're looking for a good fit book for 20 minutes. Find a nice, comfortable spot and just read for 20 minutes. The last part, the work on writing, we're taking our writing from our 6 traits of day 4 of voice and we're going to write it into a paragraph on the day 5 paper. So I'm going to show you what that looks like really quick. This was our week 1, day 4 writing from yesterday when we were at school. We were working on voice and we were looking at making this into a mysterious voice. So for the very first thing is what you had to do is plan a story about something that mysteriously disappears from your school, fill in the events in the flow chart, then choose which voice you want to use in your story. So for event number 1, it was usually like the event that happened that was a mystery. So for this one right here, it was like one day the kids from room 9 came back from recess to find scraps of paper scattered all over the classroom. So there's our mystery that we have. In the second event, it was kind of like an enhancement of our mystery, a little bit more detail to it, or something else that happened as well. And then event number 3, we figured out who it was. Now, you didn't need to figure out who it was at this point, but it could have been like maybe your investigation skills for event number 3. Event number 4 was your finishing of the paper. So in this one, it was them putting the mouse in a bush outside of the classroom window. In your story, you want to make sure that you have a sentence that has a series in it. So those commas with maybe 3 or 4 items. This will go into the day 5. If you have this written already, you just take event 1, write a sentence. Event 2, you just continue it. Just continue writing the piece. Event number 3, same thing, and event number 4. So you just put this all together into one paragraph, starting with event number 1 and going to event number 4.